Most people think gig apps are easy money. But here's the truth no one tells you. On TaskRabbit in 2026, your earnings depend less on the app and more on how you position yourself. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is treating TaskRabbit like a random side hustle instead of a local service business. In this video, you will learn whether TaskRabbit is worth it for taskers in 2026, how much you can realistically earn, and what beginners must know before starting. Let's start with how it works. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with local tasks like furniture assembly, moving help, cleaning, and small repairs. A tasker like Alex signs up, gets approved, and starts offering services in their area. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike food delivery apps, you are not just completing orders. You are building a personal service profile that clients compare directly. But here's the problem most beginners face. They join thinking jobs will come automatically, but they never optimize their profile or pricing. So let's break it down clearly. First, approval matters. TaskRabbit is not instant in every city. You need to apply, verify your identity, and sometimes pass a background check, depending on your location. Second, your profile is your biggest weapon. A tasker like Jake who writes a clear bio, shows experience, and adds strong photos will get more bookings than someone who rushes setup. Third, pricing strategy is key. You set your own rates, but beginners often price too low or too high. Too low makes you look unprofessional. Too high stops bookings completely. In a minute, here is what most new taskers completely misunderstand. The highest earners are not the busiest workers. They are the most trusted profiles in their category. Fourth, task types matter. Some tasks like furniture assembly and moving help usually pay more than basic cleaning or small errands. Choosing the right category can double your earnings. Fifth, reviews are everything. A tasker like John who completes a few jobs well and gets 5-star reviews will rank higher and get more visibility inside the app. Sixth, consistency builds momentum. The more jobs you complete, the more trust signals you build, and the more frequent your bookings become. So is TaskRabbit worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real service business. If you treat it like a casual app, earnings will stay inconsistent. If you treat it seriously, it can become a strong local income stream. To summarize, TaskRabbit works best when you optimize your profile, choose high-paying tasks, set smart pricing, and build strong reviews over time. If this helped you understand TaskRabbit better, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more real-world gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter.